Hello my friends, it's Tina the Thankful Planner. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then thanks for coming and joining me today. Today I've got another haul video. I have been so sorry, that was my dog jumping off the chair. I have been so excited about this haul. Okay, so these are stickers. There's a sticker haul. This is the biggie, so I'm going to do this one first. Okay, so I've been waiting for this. Now, if you've seen any of my any videos on my channel, then you will know that I use this oh, I'm just trying to find out where to open it. There you go. I use a budgeting system by the Budget Mum, and so this is it. I have ordered the hardcover this time. I've actually ordered the printed out version. Last time when I got it, I just printed it out myself and I laminated the covers and things like that. But this, I've got a few months left, and so I'm going to give this, the cover and everything, to my daughter-in-law because she's going to get using it. She's going to use the leftover months, and I'm going to use the new one, which has just come through. Okay, so let's get this thing open. And it really is a good budgeting system. It's a budget by Paycheck. So you zero down your budget, you zero down your money every month. I do bi-weekly, we get paid bi-weekly, so every bi-weekly you come to zero. So if you've got money left, then you put it in savings or whatever you put it in. It's a really easy way to budget. Look at this, and you get that nice little thing at the top here. Thank you for supporting TBM, I appreciate you. Kumiko, I can never pronounce her name. Isn't that really nice to actually sign it? That's so cute. Okay, so here we go. Wow, look at this. It's huge. It's not a mini one, it's a full size one. This is just my, okay, hopefully you didn't get to see that. And this is 10% off anything in the shop there. And I went with this, the big flowery one, because I wanted the flowers. Okay, let's get the box out of the way. I am so excited. I love the big ring binder, the big rings there. Let me see. We're going to take off the plastic. And we've just actually done another Paycheck, so I won't be starting this until November now. Won't be starting a new one, but that's good. You know, I'm not in a hurry. I know my daughter-in-law is in a hurry to get my old one. I'll probably give her that and just work on the sheets, like take my sheets out and use that. It's really nice to support a mum though, you know, like this is what I feel about the Budget Mum. She's like a real person. You can watch her YouTube videos. It's not like a big, massive, big company. She's doing it herself. She got herself out of debt. Really great story behind her business. And so it makes you feel like you're actually supporting a small business. But I mean, it's a great way to budget as well. So if you don't know about it and you're looking for a new way to budget, then this would be it, I'm sure. It is a massive book. I think it's probably A4. It looks like it, which is letter, you know, 8 by 11. Yeah, it's because this is A4 printable sheets. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Oh, and a nice thick cover, and then some card just to keep it nice. I'm really liking the colours as well. And then there's a card in the back. Ooh, there's stickers in there. And it is, and that's the tagline: real women, real life, real finance. That's what I like. So it is really helping us since we've been doing this. It really stops me sort of spending stuff on small things. She has all these different sort of like saving challenges you can do along with the workbook. It's a real sort of community. So anyway, let's have a look and let's see what we got. So that's the same as last year. Now, something that I didn't have with last year is this whole sort of instruction guide at the front here. And it just tells you how to use everything. And you can watch videos online. She's got loads of videos online, but it's also quite nice to have it in here. So I'm probably going to read through that tonight. And then tracking, where did your money go? I mean, it's a fantastic system. It really is. I love it. So you start with like your yearly financials, so financial plans, what goals you've got. This is a great thing as well, your memberships and subscriptions. It helps you actually get rid of some that you don't need. Since using this, I've got rid of about 5 different subscriptions that we weren't really using. And then yearly savings goals. And then you can track it here, yearly savings tracker, and visual. I love this, that you can colour it in. It's really nice. Yearly spending overview. So yeah, I don't think I'd done that last time. I don't think I'd done that in mine. So it says like your total monthly income, so you can plan it out, you know. And like your total monthly income, and then for each month, and then how you're going to save stuff, your expenses and everything, yearly expenses. So yearly balance. I mean, all this stuff, I didn't print any of this out. I just done the monthly one. So this will be medical bills, and this is worth keeping because although we don't pay for doctor's appointments and things like that in Canada, I do have private health insurance where it covers some costs of medication and that, but we could definitely put some of that stuff in there. Thoughts and notes, very good. Okay, so here we go. Dear future, I'm ready. You know what, I so wish that I'd found this when I was in my 20s. Wow, what a difference it would have made to my savings and things like that if I'd found it in my 20s. But there you go, I found it now. So although you've got the day, you've got the month, it isn't actually, the numbers aren't, the days aren't put down and the numbers aren't put in. So this could be any January, you know what I'm saying? So because we're starting, I mean, we're back here, we're going to be starting November, so it all works. But anyway, this is the same layout in each month and no change here really. This is exactly the same layout. Cash envelope breakdown, and then again, so you get a couple of these. How many do you get in the actual printed one? Okay, there should probably be 4, I should think. Yeah, so if you get paid weekly, then you can use each one. And then you go on to, no, 5, I think, I suppose, if you mess it up. And then you've got your expense trackers, and this one's normally for my current account, and this one, or checking account, and this one is for cash. And a few of those, expense trackers. And then debt payment plan, how we're going to pay off our debts. I love this stuff, I love this. Monthly net worth tracker, that is awesome as well, because you don't realise how better you're getting until you sort of track that sort of stuff. Then where did our money go? This is great. Monthly meal plan, this is cute. You know, that's not something we had in before, not in that one. So I suppose, yeah, I could put you've got your budget and then your meal plan. And then you could put a little bit more on the back here about that. And then we've got the cash envelope teller slips. And that's it. So each one is the same. So we'll be jumping straight to November. And so this is when we're going to start in November. I just really like it that it's in a planner. I'm just a planner girl, you know, so I need it in a planner. So this, I will be using this on my channel. I have asked my husband if he minds if I share our finances. So what we're going to do is a lot of the time I pay myself in what you call is a dividend. So I have got my own business, so I normally leave it in there and then pay myself now and again when I feel like I want to. And we live off my husband's wages, and some of my I get money from coaching, you know, a few people, a few friends and that, and some people from a course that I work with. So sometimes I put that in there, sometimes I don't. So we're going to maybe just use my husband's basic wage to do it, so I can at least use this on the channel. but it won't really reflect what we actually have coming in. It will just be something that I can work with so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so thanks for watching that one. And the second one, what are these? So I did buy some stickers for my daughter-in-law. I bought some more for me. This one again, L'amour des profs. I've just bought some more of these. If you didn't see my monthly budget, then that's where I got them. She does a lot of budgeting stickers. Well, she does all sorts of stickers actually, but I found that her budgeting stickers were really helpful. And so I ordered, I think, another couple that I missed, and then I ordered some, what are these I ordered? Oh yes, and then I ordered some baby, because my daughter-in-law is pregnant. My daughter's pregnant as well, but my daughter-in-law is a real planner. She loves planning. So I just thought it would be really nice if I got her some stickers for it. So they're hers. I'm going to leave hers in the envelope. And they're mine. And I've got some more. This is just from here that I ordered. I've got another order coming. So I will leave them in this. But aren't they cute? Let's bring you in just to show you them. Here we go. Let's see what we've got. So you've got a positive test. Well, she's already done that, but blood test, glucose test, announcing first kicks, heard the heartbeat, ultrasounds, first semester baby shower, maternity photos, prenatal appointments, prenatal, doctor's appointments, bump pick. So I just thought they'd be really cute for her to have. So I bought some for her. And I did buy this debt payment because I want to track our paying off our debts too. So I thought that would be really nice. So I've got the debt payments. And this one, I can't remember what this is. This could be more baby stickers. I'm not sure. Yeah. And I was going to give them at Christmas time, but the thing with waiting till Christmas, let's pull this out a bit. The thing with waiting till Christmas is like the baby's due in February. You might as well use them. Okay, what have we got? Let's see. Cool, and I've got an October. Oh, that's the card, so it doesn't go. And I've got an October, thank you. I got a freebie. And this isn't the first time I've ordered from the Prairie Planner. She's in Canada. So let's have a look at my freebie. This is cute. It's all Halloweeny. I'll be able to use it because I'm using loads of Halloween stickers. So pretty cute. Look, it's good. Yeah, so I'll be able to use all of that. And then, okay, so she's now got her own website. So, okay. And then a loyalty card too. So when you take off these stickers, the heart stickers, that's going to go in there. And yeah, okay, cool. Very nice. Oh, she's given me two, bless her. She's given me two. Fantastic. So what did I get? Well, this is it as well. I got this one, and although these are already done, you know, it might be quite cute for her. So yeah, I thought that would be fun, just so she's got a week's tracker. So I'm going to put this in here as well, and I'll give her that. So not a lot of stickers. It was really just, this was my debt payment thing. It was really just the Budget by Paycheck workbook. I've been waiting for it. I'm so excited it's here, and I know that my daughter-in-law is going to be excited that she gets her plan. She gets my old one. So thanks for joining me today. I better quickly get back to work, and I hope you're enjoying your day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.